Forever guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys. Alright guys, not the start to the episode I wanted. We've been having a lot of heavy rain and wind the past few days, and that's why there's a huge branch that's fallen on this side. So we're just going to try and clear it up, just enough for the car to get through, and then we'll start again. Ooh. Alright, I think we can make it through. Talo Forever guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. It's great to be back. Not the start that we wanted to the episode, but with the whole trees falling and stuff, but that's part of life. You deal with the challenges as you go. I've been offline for the past week and a half, on YouTube, and I saw some of the comments. I know you guys might be worried and slightly confused why we haven't been uploading the past week and a half, but just been taking a break, guys. Ever since we reached 10,000 subs, it's been a monumental achievement, and it's something I've always dreamed of reaching by 2 years, and the fact that we were able to do it within 2 years was just like a dream come true. And I owe it all to you guys, because you guys love the channel and the video we post out. But yeah, I just thought I'd just take a little break. As you guys may be aware that running a small farm, a small business, looking after the family, raising the kids, at the same time pushing out consistently content every 2 to 3 videos every week, even during the holidays, and at the same time trying to maintain a 9-to-5 job is not an easy work. The whole goal of this was to be financially stable and create avenues where revenue can come in that can help support the family. And it's been non-stop for the past 2 years now, a year and a half going on to 2 years, and just thought when we reach 10,000 subs, I just thought just take a little break. But yeah guys, we've been having great success on this channel, and everything that we've been doing here at the farm as well, and that was because we consistently did what we usually do every day and every week. But some of the things I don't really show on the channel is the problems that we go through and the challenges and the obstacles. Obviously, guys, I'll be honest, there's been a lot more challenges and obstacles and problems than actual success, but I don't really show that on the channels. But those obstacles and problems and the challenges actually take a real toll on the body, but most of all, it takes a really big effect on and a toll on the mental state, which brings us to the sponsor of today's episode, BetterHelp. When you're juggling the many responsibilities of life, it can take time away from other things, and sometimes it feels like you don't have the time to take care of your mental health. But that's why a service like BetterHelp can be so valuable. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you unbiased and helpful advice. So how does it work? Well, first you go on their site and answer a few questions. Then BetterHelp will match you with a professional who has years of experience with problems just like yours and mine. You can do it all from your phone or computer via a phone call, video chat, or text message, whichever feels comfortable for you. It's literally the easiest possible way to talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist who can help you, all from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/SamoanFarmer or choose SamoanFarmer during your sign up and enjoy a discount on your first month. Thank you again, BetterHelp, for sponsoring today's episode. Alright guys, so just chopping up some firewood. As you guys know, the electric oven's not working anymore. As a result, we have to go back to doing umu now every Sunday. So just getting our umu, the firewood for the umu. This is koi, the tree koi. So we cut this about 6 months ago when we planted that plantation. Yeah, when we planted that plantation, we cut this one up, so it's nice and dry now, and that's what we'll be using for the firewood. Just gonna get enough, should be good to go. All right. Oh yeah, that's good enough. We'll also come back during the week and chop up most of that for more firewood. But yeah, whew. Getting Siave there to sort through the firewood. We'll get the medium to large size blocks on that side and the small ones on this side. And then I think we'll go just check on the cows. Show you guys some of. So remember back in this episode, we were cutting most of this. Pa's been planting, connecting that plot up there, coming down this way over here. And then I think we're getting the boys to plant the rest of this all the way down that end. So all the way towards that ulu, or behind the ulu. But at the moment we're here. After that, then we'll start pushing this side, planting this side, connecting it to the plantation that we brought from the top towards down. But yeah, most of the variety is the, I'm seeing kalovave, I'm seeing salangi. It's mostly salangi on that side as well, but it's mostly kalovave and salangi for these plots. Probably 200 already planted, which is good. We've also got in the front there. We're going to plant this whole bit. Eesh. Right guys, so if you saw there, those were the boots. These were the boots I was telling you about from Uncle Sokong Yalapaki and the kids. He said they actually belong to his son. I've got another pair at home, but these are really good boots. So just want to say thank you again to Sokong Yalapaki and the family for the boot. They are super comfortable. I think the label was Timberland Pros or something. I don't know. But man, they're so comfortable. Great room space as well. So I've been using this for the past week now. And they're super comfortable, man. Even went to work with them. Love it. So just want to say thank you again, guys, to Sokong Yalapaki and the family. But we're just going to strap up our firewood, take it to the car, and then we'll go check on the cows. But the reason why we'll be back again tomorrow and the rest of this week to chop up more firewood, to leave in the umukuka for the umu. Over there, just trying to take the skin off of that tree there so that we can strap down the firewood and carry it. Right over there, we found a bag here I was using for estiapula. So over there's just got the smaller ones inside. I'm going to carry these big ones. Couldn't strap it with a vine. Just going to carry it by hand. Alright guys, just gonna go get the final stuff and the chainsaw. Then after that, just gonna go back down to the cattle farm and check on the cows. Oh look, our manioka cassava plants are growing. It's a good sign. right, guys, so hope you enjoyed that little view of just we were just trying to find the cows and stuff. So obviously they don't want to come because it's been raining for the past few days. If you see, the grass is a lot greener now, all thanks to the rain. So we needed that rain for the grass, for the cows. So the cows aren't thirsty at the moment, but that's okay. We'll just pour some water for them because it is sunny at the moment and they'll probably be thirsty towards the evening. So I'm just going to get to that now, pour some water for them, and then I don't know, I think we'll grab some coconuts while we're here. If not, we'll get the coconuts at home. No, I think we'll grab them from here, just for the falifu. You see that? One of the benefits, because it was raining and also windy, we've had a lot of coconuts, for a lot of good coconuts. So I'm gonna get them now for falifu later on today. Ave sa merkapo po, oi sa pensi yang ya poi poi. See, most of these are bad coconuts, but looking for the good ones. Can you hear that sound? That's the good ones. Alright, just coming to check on the cows before I leave and get them a few of these branches because they love these kamalingi branches. Just gotta get down some more branches for them. Alright guys, that should be good enough for them. I'm gonna head back to the car, get the coconuts up. I'm just down at the other side of the cattle farm. Noticed I couldn't see the small cows. And me and Siave have just finished checking the other sides that they usually hang out. So I'm at the backside corner of the cattle farm, which is this corner, which connects us to the other plot that the cows usually go to, which is around here. So this plot and that plot up there, which is right next to, you can see from in front of the road. But this one, however, is quite difficult because you can't see from in the front of the road, and usually sometimes the cows come in. As you can see, they're right there. Big! You guys can see. So, and I can see the ones just lying down under there. So this is the problem that with there's you know, the old cow Suki is no longer with us because she died, but now the cows just do their own thing, which is something I don't like because it then just takes time out because I have to come look for them. But obviously if we use the drone here, we can't see it from above unless we have to come down low. You can see even coming down low here is difficult for the drone in case it gets damaged from these branches, which is why I try to keep it hovering. But see 2 there and the other 4 They're lying down just in the back there. All right, that's sorted. So, now that the rest of the cows are found, I can head back to the car, head home. Mga wiku, ay wafo. Mga wiku, ay wafo. Kasi sila ka ba? Okay na. Ipasi nga mga kumamra. Kapus ha kang iway. Si ay singaw. Oh. This is the stuff right here. Yeah. Oh, may lapo. Ah. Ay maun mo lagi. Breakfast. Manuia. Bon appetit. Cheers, guys. I did it. Yeah, I ate bacon. Yeah, I did. McDonald's. Quá hay vậy. Quá hay là ông ai McDonald's. Chú nếu mà là ông ai phải số là cô. Có gì mất ngủ. Hả? Alright guys, so just finished having breakfast. Now I'm gonna pack up and go. Rain's about to come. You guys see on the far side there. Got raining clouds coming, so gonna head back home now. If you've enjoyed today's episode, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support, guys. Again, just you guys have been a great audience. Do apologize, still trying to get through the comments. I think I've got about 8 episodes that haven't gone through the comments. Just been real busy, guys, you know, just taking a break, but definitely energized now. Feeling a lot better. Also the mental state feels better. Body feels good, so we're ready to get back on the horse and yeah, get at it again. So I just want to say thank you guys for the support, really appreciate it. Everyone here at the family and on the farm, just want to say thank you again, guys, really appreciate it, and keep it up, guys. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, guys, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.